Okay, we're back. So now we're going to check our cake, see how it's doing, and then we're going to start working on the icing. What time is it? It's time to eat. Come on. We're bubbling. Probably about another 10 more minutes or so.
Yeah.
All right, we're getting there. So now we're working on a cream cheese icing for the top of this. So we need a block of cream cheese. Beat until that is smooth. I don't have an electric mixer, so I do hand power. Hi, Willie. Cream cheese is smooth, then we beat in our coffee. And 3/4 cup powdered sugar. There's 3/4 cup. Our honey.
Onto the bed, pulling the thing back up over the window. Breaks your heart, doesn't it?
Let's do it. Honey's cold. It's cold here. Morning, Colorado. About that much. Vanilla extract and beat well together. Mix well. Isn't that right, Willie? Yeah.
I think I've got a
Oh yeah, that'll work.
I think I've got one.
Oh, I might even have one down there, but I don't know. Forgot about those. All right, it's taking a bit to get the cream cheese chunks to smoothen out.
There you go. That's what I do the trick for you.
All right, let's try this.
Yeah, I think that'll work fine.
That's working, isn't it?
I think so.
Every time that thing moves,
Yeah.
Yep.
There you go.
There we go. Still hand powered, but better. Oh yeah, that's smoothing up really good. Looking very good.
Lower that heat up.
Yeah. And just a little bit of icing on that. All right. Let's see how this is going to taste.
So Ben said he'd be up around 10, huh?
Yeah, he said he'd be here before you. You said 9 or 10, and he said he'd be here before you guys took off.
Mmm. That was very nice. A little bit of coffee taste to it.
Grounds through your teeth.
Yeah.
Grounds on your feet.
But very good. So if you like what you see, please subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions or like to offer suggestions. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos. Have a great day.
I have a comment. Who's this bozo?